Cut-50ds, non-touch pilot ARC high-frequency plasma cutter. Non-touch pilot ARC pilot arc technology allows you to cut without touching the tip to the metal, better cutting quality and longer consumable life. Clean Cool 14 mm, maximum severance cut 20 mm. Widely applicable, various materials can be cut. MCU chip control, stable output and sufficient component power. Convenient operation, 1-key adjustment and control current, easy for novices. Network cutting mode, continuous spray arc, strong penetrating power. Fast and precise cutting, improve efficiency and reduce time. Andeli.